Maddie, in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you. Oh, sorry. So as I was saying, I'm going to be teaching you how to do that trick that I just did. So the first step is you're gonna need like 10, 15, like, depends. Like when you start out, I would like say 7. Once you get better, like 10 to 15. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold the cards kind of like your hand, and you're gonna hold them like this. And then you're gonna cough, bring them up to your mouth, kind of bite on them. Okay, just put them in your mouth like that. You're gonna pull to then make it look like you're coughing cards. So that is how you do this.